guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making a dictionary. So let's get started. First things first, we are going to rename the screen one into dictionary. Now what we're going to do is, first off, I'm going to drag and drop an extension. So you go all the way to the bottom in the palette, then you click import extension, then click choose file. Now what you do is you're going to drag and drop the extension. As you can see, I have two extensions, but the one I'm going to use is the dictionary one. So this is where I'm going to drag and drop. And after you drag and drop it, just click import. Now we're going to drag this and drop it over here. It is a non-visible component, so it will be at the bottom. Now what we're going to do is we are going to drag and drop one label, but I want this label to be in the very center of this tablet. So I'm going to click on screen one, then I'm going to align the horizontal to the center. In this label, I am going to change the text into dictionary. And now what I'm going to do is change this to serif, italic and bold. And the font size, I'm going to make it 30. And I'm actually going to drag and drop a background image since the background is a bit plain. So all you have to do is click on screen one and click on background image, then click upload file, choose file. Now I have imported my image and I'm just gonna click OK. Now since it's uploaded, it needs to change the background color, which will take some time. Okay guys, for some reason my background image is not working, so let's move on. Anyways, after that you will drag and drop a text box over here. Then you're going to drag and drop a button, then a list view. So I think I'm gonna change the color of this list view to, I'm gonna go with white actually, or none, same thing. I'm going to change the text color into what about, yeah, you know what, I'm just gonna go with black. And I am going to change the font into serif. So now what we're going to do is we're going to texture the button. So for the button, I'm going to type go in full caps. And this, I am going to change the font size to 20, the background color into black, and the text color to cyan, the shape to rounded, and of course I have to change the font into italic and bold. There we go. Now as you can see, we have done. And by the way, please make sure that if you make the background any light color, for example it was at black, I changed it to white, which means you should change this text color to black or any other dark color, or else your text will not be seen. And actually I'm going to change this hint for text box into type an English word. Now I am also going to change the font size into 20 and make it serif. For extra touches, make it italic and bold. We're done with the designer part. Before we go to the designer part though, I am just going to change this with the fill pad. There we go. Now let's go to the block part. So in the block part, you click on button 1, then you will drag and drop when button 1 dot click do, and then in that you will go to dictionary. Then you will see something like call G dictionary get meanings word source language. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to text, then you're going to drag and drop this empty text box, put it in the source language. Then you will go to the text box. For now I'm just going to drag and drop this, then change the hint to text. Now we're going to change the source language to EN. We're going to click on G dictionary 1, and then in that you will see something like when gdictionary.meanings shipped do. And then over there what you're going to do is you will go to the list view, then you will find something like set list view dot elements to drag and drop value. Before we drag and drop value, you're going to go to text again, then you will see something like split text and then add. Over here what you're going to do is basically you're going to copy this text box, paste it, put it over here. Then what you're going to do is make sure to add this symbol, then you put BR, then this. Make sure that you add the symbols. Then you will hover over the value, then you will drag and drop get value. That is it for the coding. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave it a big thumbs up and I will see you next time. Goodbye everyone.